Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services 30410. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services is: describe the role of the Border Gateway Protocol (BGP) community attribute and its significance in BGP routing policies. Your answer should be: the BGP community attribute is a transitive, optional, and non-transitive attribute used to group BGP routes into communities based on specific policies or criteria. BGP communities are used to simplify the implementation of routing policies and influence route propagation and selection. By assigning BGP communities to routes, network administrators can control how routes are advertised, filtered, and manipulated within BGP routing policies. Our next interview question is: what are some common methods for troubleshooting routing issues in Cisco networks, and how do you approach diagnosing and resolving routing problems? Your answer should be: common methods for troubleshooting routing issues in Cisco networks include: first point, verifying physical connectivity and interface status. Next point is checking routing table entries and route advertisements. Next point is using diagnostic tools such as ping, traceroute, and show commands. For example, show IP route, show IP interface brief. Next point is analyzing syslog messages, debug outputs, and packet captures. Next point is reviewing configuration files for errors and inconsistencies. Next point is checking routing protocol neighbor adjacencies and peering status. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the null zero interface in Cisco routing configurations, and how is it used for route summarization and route filtering? Your answer should be: the null zero interface is a virtual interface in Cisco routers used to discard traffic destined for unreachable or filtered routes. It acts as a black hole for packets and helps prevent routing loops and network instability. In route summarization, the null zero interface is often used to advertise summary routes, ensuring that traffic for unused subnets within the summary range is dropped. In route filtering, the null zero interface is used to discard unwanted or unauthorized routes, preventing them from being installed in the routing table. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of the multi-protocol label switching (MPLS) technology in enterprise networks? And how does it improve routing efficiency and scalability? Your answer should be: multi-protocol label switching (MPLS) is a high-performance packet forwarding technology used in enterprise networks to improve routing efficiency, scalability, and traffic engineering. MPLS creates a label switched path (LSP) across the network, allowing routers to forward packets based on labels rather than traditional routing table lookups. MPLS reduces forwarding overhead, improves routing convergence, and enables traffic engineering by establishing explicit paths for different classes of traffic. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.